Hey guys, today is Wednesday, September 16th, 2020, and let's take a look at the market. I've reduced my frequency of posting videos. When the market is kind of quiet, I just don't post because, if there's no new information, I don't want my audience to, waste their time watching my video, right? So let's take a look at the market today to see what's going on. It seems that after after 4 o'clock today, the market actually dipped down. The futures actually dipping down. We had a FOMC reveal today, and it seems that the market is trying to get back to this band, where what I call this band the safe zone. If the market is able to get back to this band, I think that's a bullish thing. If the market continues to be operating outside of this band right now, we should still remain cautious, right? If this is a kind of weakness that's showing, and if it's not able to get back, it could just break down to a much lower position, and that is totally a possibility, right? So right now, I would say just remain cautious, and we'll see about tomorrow. The S&P 500, same story, same action. Should remain cautious, and right now, since it hasn't gone back to this general band, the general trend. Okay, let's take a look at all the other stuff. Some of the leading stocks like Tesla. Right now is consolidating. I think the market might start tipping over in the next couple of days and make another kind of a push to the downside, right? Because this is what I'm seeing. I think I don't think that Tesla and all these stocks are gonna go all the way back to all-time high in this particular run. I think it's going to probably test a much lower level. Just based on what I'm looking at this right now, that's a possibility, especially for some of these kind of biotech stocks. They have been expressing a general level of weakness since July. It's been more than a month. It's been almost 2 months. You can see that Moderna, which is the star of the the biotech. I was thinking that we might have a bounce, then came to a higher level, then start reversing back, testing a much lower downside. And now it's actually doing this. It's just not exactly what I drew, right? So I thought it might dip even lower, then came back. But now it has already reached that point, came back. I think what's going to happen is it's going to follow this. I think we might go to a higher level, maybe tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, then start, tilting over due to the general market weakness and also due to the weakness for this particular stock. So maybe if we do have a general market weakness, right, if the index start dipping downwards, this particular stock will also dip downwards. And also, this is a reflexive system, right? This stock is an indicator of the overall market strength, and so this could start dipping and the index start dipping again as well. So I do see some weakness in the market right now based on the price action. We'll see what's going to happen. In terms of luxurious products, for example, Canada Goose, I've been saying that this thing is going to kind of break out a little bit, and it has done that. But I believe that we are probably facing a. I don't think this is gonna go all the way back to $72. This is probably it. I don't think that's the case. I think this is just a temporary bear market rally for this particular stock, because if it's gonna rally, it's probably rally a long time ago, right? The market has been incredibly strong. I think what's gonna happen is it's probably gonna reach a critical level where it broke down around $30. I know there are a lot of people trapped up there. It's just based on this chart, right? A lot of people trapped on at this particular level, and very likely the price is gonna go here and hit a wall, right? So tons of people got trapped, up here in this range. So if the price start retesting this level, we could see some sellers coming back and pushing the price down. Very, very likely that's going to happen once we retest that particular level. Okay, that's all I want to talk about stock market. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency market today, Bitcoin is showing a lot of strength. I've been saying that Bitcoin is bouncing back. It is bouncing slowly though. So if we do bounce back to 11,300 ish, that'd be good news for Bitcoin. Well, I don't think this particular bounce is going to get us to another high. I think what's going to happen is that we are going to retest, this level, and then we might roll over because there are so many people trapped up there, right? And I think it's going to roll over, find more buyers, then retest again, find more buyers, and start maybe break out to the upside. So got to be patient with this one. Yeah, Ethereum, same story. Lots of people got trapped up there. Again, we tried to, the price came up there to this particular zone, and now it dipped down below. It's just hovering there. I think it's gonna find more buyers here at this particular level, and then we're probably gonna make another attempt. I think eventually this attempt might fail. If the attempt is actually successful, then we are going to move to the upside. Well, we'll have to see. The longer we stay in this zone, it means it's accumulating energy, and it could break to the downside. It's hard to say. It's really hard to say if we do have this kind of action going on in this zone. Okay, so that's all I want to talk about today, and see you next time.